Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all today? And how's the weather like today? Weather. Because have you observed things are being changed around us? What kind of things I'm talking about? Weather, the colors, and probably the kind of feel that we get. So the poem that we are going to be learning today is all about seasons. Let's read it together, but as I always say, before we read it together, I want you to take a minute, pause this video and read it yourself, because it's always good to read first and then read it with the teacher. Alright, so I'm giving you a minute. Let's read it independently. Alright, now that you have read, let's read it all together. It says, here we go round the year again to greet different seasons. Winter time is time for snow. It's too cold for plants to grow. In the springtime, days get warm. On plants, the new buds form. In summertime, the days are hot. Ice cold drinks I drink a lot. Autumn is here. The air is cool. Days are short. It's back to school. Yes, and the poem is written by Mish Goldish. Always acknowledge the authors or the writers who write the poem. Yes, now I want you to take a pause and read this poem again by yourself and see what do you get the meaning out of this poem. Now let's see how we get it together. In this poem, the author says, here we go round the year again to greet different seasons. So the author is taking us to the round of different seasons along the year. Alright, in the first it says, winter time is here and it's time for snow. Sardi ka mausam. And then it says, it's too cold for plants to grow because plants need sunlight to grow. Perfect. And then it says, in springtime, days get warm. Yeah, because the ice melts and then days get a little warmer. And on plants, the new buds form. Yes, because it's always flowers around and in a very swift breeze actually flows. Wow. Bahar ka mausam kehte hain usko. So we had two, winter and spring. Then the author says, in summertime, the days are hot. Yes, we all sweat. And when we sweat, what do parents say? Always take water. Yes, and we use a lot of ice cold drinks. Yes, and you drink a lot. That's what the author is mentioning. And finally, we have the fourth season, which is at the moment we are feeling. And that's the autumn season. How do you know it is autumn season? You know what? How do I know? When I see a lot of yellow leaves on the tree, when I see a lot of rustling of wind blowing around us, when I see a little breeze in the air, that's when the autumn is here. And it says the days are short. Yes, because the nights get longer for you to rest actually. And it's also time to get back to school. Yes, this is how Mish Goldish took us around the whole year to understand what are the different seasons. What season do you like the best? Please do write it to me and let me know what season do you like the best and why do you like that season and what do you see in that season. I'll get back to you with the next lesson. Meanwhile, I'll be waiting to listening to you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.